Are you scratching your head wondering what could be the top 10 niches for content creators in 2024? You're not the only one. The digital universe is a vast, ever-evolving entity, and finding your sweet spot in this sprawling cosmos of content can feel like looking for a proverbial needle in a haystack. But fear not, because we're here to help you navigate this vast ocean. Over the last decade, we've seen a tectonic shift in how we consume content, leading to the emergence of new and electrifying niches. From the booming world of esports and virtual reality to the silent revolution of mindfulness and sustainability, these niches have taken the world by storm. And as we stride into 2024, the possibilities are even more exhilarating. Realizing the significance of finding the right niche is akin to having a compass that guides your content creation journey. So, fasten your seatbelts as we plunge into the realm of niche discovery, unraveling the top 10 for 2024. Now let's cut to the chase. The top 10 niches for 2024. First up, we have the ever-advancing world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. As technology races ahead, this niche is becoming increasingly relevant. It's like a fine wine maturing beautifully with time. We'll delve into how this niche is transforming industries, from healthcare to entertainment, and why it's a treasure trove for content creators. Next, we have the green living and sustainability niche. This isn't a mere trend anymore, but a necessity. We'll explore how this niche is reshaping our lives and the multitude of content opportunities it presents. Our third niche is the world of remote work and digital nomadism. The freedom to work from anywhere, whether it's a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. We'll delve into how this trend is shaping the future of work and the various content themes within it. Fourth in line is the mental health and well-being niche. Promoting a healthy mind in a healthy body, this niche is gaining traction. We'll discuss the importance of this niche in today's fast-paced world and the myriad of content possibilities it offers. Fifth, we have the personal finance niche. With the economic roller coaster, more folks are scouting for ways to manage their money effectively. We'll take a closer look at this niche and the diverse content opportunities it presents. Moving on to the second half of our list. Sixth, we have the fitness and health niche. With the rise in consciousness about physical health, this niche is increasingly engaging. We'll unpack this niche and the range of content themes it offers. Seventh, we have the food and cooking niche. Who doesn't love a good meal? This niche offers a smorgasbord of culinary delights, from vegan diets to gourmet cooking. We'll explore this niche and the delicious content opportunities it presents. Eighth, we have the travel and adventure niche. Even though travel took a hit during the pandemic, it's bouncing back, and this niche is hotter than ever. We'll delve into how this niche is evolving and the exciting content opportunities it offers. Ninth, we have the education and e-learning niche. With the shift towards online learning, this niche is a goldmine. We'll discuss the potential of this niche and the various content themes within it. Last but not least, we have the tech and gadget reviews niche. With a constant influx of new tech and gadgets, this niche is thriving. We'll take a closer look at this niche and the multitude of content opportunities it presents. Identifying the best niches is just the beginning. To truly triumph, you need a solid strategy. So, you found your niche, your perfect corner of the digital universe waiting for your unique content. But what's next? Strategy, my friends, is the key. Your content should be well-researched, well-produced, and most importantly, valuable. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and always be open to suggestions. Lastly, stay ahead of the game. Keep an eye on trending topics and always be ready to adapt your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Remember, the niche is your canvas, but the masterpiece is up to you. Now here's your bonus tip. Don't just follow the trend, set the trend. Be the pioneer in your niche and the audience will follow. Before we conclude, let's have some engagement. Tell us, what's your chosen niche? Why did you opt for it? And what's your content strategy for 2024? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Before we conclude, let's quickly recap what we've unearthed today. We've journeyed through the promising landscape of 2024, unveiling the top 10 niches ripe for exploration. From eco-conscious content to virtual reality experiences, the possibilities are as broad as they are thrilling. But remember, identifying a niche is just the first step. The true magic happens when you combine it with a winning strategy. Each step you take brings you closer to that coveted sweet spot of success. With this knowledge in hand, it's time to act. Don't just sit on the sidelines, dive in. Start exploring these niches, polish your skills, and keep evolving. The world of content creation is a dynamic one, and the only way to stay ahead is to keep learning and growing. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your niche exploration journey today, and who knows, you might just be the next big thing in 2024.